Hey everyone, Brian from All Day Ruckoff here, and today we're unboxing the Speed Rucker from GORUCK. Speed Rucker came out recently. It's their newest pack. It's also one of their cheaper packs at $125. Not made in the USA. Like a lot of their packs they're doing right now, this one is made in Vietnam. Got a lot of bubble wrap in there. Return sheet. The new card from GORUCK. This one removes the quote about their gear being made in the USA and now includes a quote that says, "The quality will and always will be the life and death of the GORUCK company." Here it is, the Speed Rucker. There was no sticker in this box. Not sure if they're still doing stickers or not, but no sticker in this one. The bag does have the GORUCK logo on it, which matched the Vietnam Ruckers that I ordered previously. And here it is. First thing that I noticed right away is the feel of it feels way different than the other GORUCK packs. They use a 500D Cordura on this, but honestly, it feels different than other 500D Cordura packs that I've got. There's this reflective strap across it. There's two colors that came out for it. There was this black reflective strap and the white reflective strap. The white one comes with the Rucking World Championship registration, so I figure if I ever register for that, I might as well order the black one now so I don't end up with two of those packs. Get rid of that plastic. Patch area on the top came with this patch. I did not order it. It is the GORUCK USA flag logo patch. Just looking at the bag, there's the GORUCK spearhead sewn into the bottom right-hand corner of it. There's no pocket on the outside, which kind of goes against the other GORUCK packs out there. Most of them have a slant pocket. This one does not. And I guess just going into what this pack is designed to be, it's designed to be a lightweight pack for rucking. It wasn't designed for the light, the tough, the heavy. It was designed for the Star Course. So it uses lighter material. That 500D Cordura is lighter than the 1000D, and it doesn't include all the features that the Rucker has or that the GR1 has. Comes in at $125, which is cheaper than the Rucker. And again, you'll see some things missing on this pack, which really kind of put it in that price group. Looking at the sides of the pack, there's no side webbing at all. There is, however, a waist belt sewn directly into the pack. So you don't have side webbing to attach a waist belt. They gave you one right here, built in, which is ideal for rucking. And I'm guessing, like with the other GORUCK packs, if you don't want to use the waist belt, you can just strap it around the other side, and then you don't have to use the waist belt while you're out there rucking. One thing I wish they had included on these would have been pockets in the waist belt. Since there is no webbing on the side for side pockets, it would be nice if there was a little zipper pocket in each one so you could keep something small in there if you wanted to. There is webbing across the shoulder strap, so if you do want to attach something there, you definitely can. Feeling the shoulder straps, they feel as thick and as sturdy as the shoulder straps on the Rucker and on the GR1, basically all of GORUCK's packs. I'm excited to use this pack for rucking. I don't think I would use it for events, but we'll see. I mean, 500D Cordura is still really tough. Not as tough as the 1000D Cordura, but it's a really tough fabric. Getting into this pack, clamshell opening, really nice. Throw the pack down, pull out whatever you need. You can see on this side there is the ruck plate pocket. This fits the 10-pound, the 20-pound, and the 30-pound ruck plates that GORUCK makes. The 20 and the 30 it fits are the original ruck plates, which were rebranded as the expert ruck plates. which have been rebranded as the 4 Rucker ruck plates. The 20 and 30, which were called the standard and are now the 4 GR1, do not fit up here in this. So we've got this ruck plate pocket, we've got a Velcro patch area, a nice D-ring on top so you can hang a water bladder, and then of course there is a exit port on top so you can run your hydration hose out the top of it. You can use a ITW Grimlock or something on the shoulder straps to hold the bladder hose in place. And this thing is, like I mentioned, it's designed just for rucking, according to GORUCK. The size of it I'm really happy with. It's a 15-liter pack, but it's the same size, width, and height as the 20-liter Rucker. So it's just skinnier. The 20-liter Rucker fits me really well, so I'm happy this is the same size, and it's not smaller like the Echo or some of the other shorter packs that GORUCK makes. There's no other pockets on this side, just that pocket for the ruck weight. Flipping it over, we've got the internal label. It says GORUCK Speed Rucker Lifetime Guarantee. Generally, that's where it would say Made in the USA, but since this pack is not made in the USA, it does not have that text. There is a pocket on top for dumping your keys, your wallet, possibly your phone, anything you need to grab quickly. This is the only internal pocket outside of that ruck plate pocket. As you can see, there's no pocket on the bottom. And this is a really interesting view right here because it shows just how little fabric there is in this pack. These sew lines right here, which run underneath this pocket, you can see my hand going, are the sew lines for the reflective strap sewing it into the pack on the outside. So this is the only piece of fabric between the bag here and the bag on the outside. In the traditional GR1 or the other GORUCK packs that have the slant pocket on the outside, you've got the Cordura on the outside of that pocket, the Cordura on the inside of the pocket, and then you've got the mesh pocket on the inside. So you have multiple layers, so you don't really have this kind of view of how all the sewing's gone into the pack on the outside. It's kind of interesting from a perspective of seeing how the packs are built, but it just kind of goes to show that they definitely use as few materials as possible, probably to cut down on weight and keep that price down. The bottom of the pack says built in Vietnam, 15 liters, GORUCK. And then there was also a little hang tag on the top in here that says GORUCK, and then it has the purchase order as well. Overall, I'm excited about this pack. I really, really wanted GORUCK to release a cheaper pack for people who wanted to get into rucking but didn't want to spend over $200 on a Rucker or a GR1. I think $125 is about right, maybe a little high for this pack. I would have loved to see this thing come in at $99. So hopefully future sales will see the price drop to that $99 range. Because I think if you can offer a pack that's at the sub $100 level, that's kind of one of those price points where if something's under $100, sometimes people are more willing to splurge on it versus if it's over $100. So I feel like you would get a lot more people in the door buying a speed rucker for like a 5K style ruck event. The 5K, 10K, 15K Star Course series that GORUCK's going big on this year, as well as maybe the 12-mile, 26.2 or 50-mile Star Course as well. Overall, just looking at the pack, I don't see anything out of the ordinary, nothing off, no weird sewing, no loose threads, nothing out of the ordinary. Everything looks like it's sewn up really nice, and I'm excited to use it. Again, I'm going to be using it tonight at a Ruck Club Ruck, and I'll probably be putting a lot of miles in, seeing how it carries. Because that built-in hip belt will hopefully make carrying the weight easier. We'll see. If you have any questions about the Speed Rucker, please leave a comment. I'm definitely happy to answer them. Hopefully by the time this video goes up, I'll put a number of miles on this so I can answer any questions about the pack. Obviously, I just opened this one right now, so I don't know how it carries. I don't know if there's any issues on that end of it, and I'll obviously be making a review video for it once I've put a lot more miles on the pack. Hopefully you got something out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Would truly appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing. A lot more rucking content on the way. If you do want to support the channel, you can do that through Patreon, patreon.com/alldayruckoff. And as always, don't forget, attitude is everything. Keep yours positive and drink hard, ruck harder.